Hey everybody, this is Reno from Reno's Tiny Kitchen. It's been a while since I posted a video, and this is kind of going to be like an impromptu little video, but I'm kind of in a new situation. My life has taken a rather unexpected turn, one that definitely needed to happen, but I find myself starting over. And I wanted to do this video for other people in my situation who are starting over. And in the process of starting over, I don't have much yet. So on my lunch break, mistake number one, I went to the grocery store and I went grocery shopping on my lunch break. So I was pressured for time, really wasn't thinking about what I was grabbing. I grabbed some fish. I got a bag of Mahi Mahi. It was actually pretty cheap. So I figured, what the hell, might as well eat something I want to eat. I got some asparagus and some dill. I got some shallots. Like I said, I was pressured. I got some garlic and I got some orange juice. Now, I bought fish, but I did not get lemons. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, let's just get what you do when you're broke. Well, not necessarily broke. I'm just in the process of waiting not to be broke anymore. Basically waiting on a check. I got some Mahi Mahi soaking in some orange juice for about 2 hours. Now, that Mahi Mahi is going to soak up all of that citric acid. Henceforth, I will not need the lemons anymore. But there's a catch with that. The orange juice has a bit of sweetness to it. So we're going to balance it out with some of this. There's my shallots already pre-cut to save some time. Same with the garlic. Here's my asparagus. Oh, by the way, I cooked this with lemons, and I don't have any, so you guessed it, just not this one. And some fresh dill. And, of course, salt and pepper. So, let's get started. 2-second tour of the new tiny kitchen. Trust me, that's all it's going to take. But there's the new stove. There is my new oven, which is not just an oven, but a convention oven and an air fryer as well. So the whole unit becomes an air fryer. Sweet. Nice flat top stove. I would actually prefer to use gas, but whatever. Get what you get. Microwave, blah, blah, blah. My favorite knife. And that's about it. And the refrigerator behind me. We don't need to see that. Oh, forgot. Best part. I'm sorry, but that is just sexy. I love my hood. Okay, so let's get started. Here's my pan, piping hot. You're gonna have to forgive, all of my regular camera gear is still in storage, so I'm hand holding my phone here. Like I said, this is very impromptu. Okay. So there we go. I'm going to cook most of the liquids out of here. I'm going to turn this down a bit, just a smidge. And that's kind of what I wanted to see. All that fish fat. So we now just greased our pan and gave it a little bit of flavor. Okay, we got this cooked down really, really good. But I'm still going to leave enough liquid in there so we can get the garlic caramelized and the shallots caramelized. Okay, now I added just a touch more orange juice because right at the last second I decided, I'm not going to sear this fish, I'm going to poach it. So, add a little bit more orange juice. I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to crank the heat way down to about medium low. And it's a very delicate fish, so it's still not going to take that long. Okay, you're going to have to forgive the camera positioning here. It's leaning up against the wall. Thank God this kitchen's even smaller. But this is all ready now. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer very, very, very carefully over here to rest. Okay, so now I got all this. And what am I going to do with that? Well, I'm going to use a black plate. So, do I have heavy whipping cream? No, I do not. But I do have vitamin D milk. And here we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this down and cook it down and cook it down, and I'm going to evaporate all the water elements out of that vitamin D milk, and I'll be left with the cream. Now, it might get just a smidge lumpy. I can live with that. This is being done on a budget, but we're going to see. Okay, so there we are, all cooked down. So there's our veg, asparagus, and new orange juice with some salt and pepper. As soon as that orange juice cooks down a little bit, I will add a little bit of adobo. All right, now our asparagus is done. It's perfect. Fish is done. Black plate, cream sauce. Let's see if I can do this and hold the camera. Okay, let's plate some fish. So, let me send a message to all those people out there that are worried about starting over. It's all about the mindset. Get back to doing what you love. This is your time to reinvent yourself. You can take something that's barely nothing and turn it into something